Hi, today we're talking about Influencer and UGC Payments Tracker. So, this is a simple template which has been built in Notion where you can track all the influencer payments or the UGC payments that you are creating. So, as you can see, we have got influencer handle, the platform name, the content deliverables, payment agreed, payment status, and all the related things that you want to attach. Obviously, you can add more columns over here wherever you want to add it. Okay. For the contract link, you can obviously put a link over here if you want to. But the key thing is that if you scroll to the top, we have got a summary section. So this shows paid collaborations on the first thing. So paid collaborations means if the payment has been done for the particular influencer and we are collaborating with the influencer, we will specify that as a filter. So what I've done is I've created a filter view where the payment status is considered as paid. So if you check the payment status at the bottom, we have paid, pending, and paid. So these two paid payments are showing over here. Okay, so we can see the paid collaborations over here. So this means anything which is not visible over here has been unpaid. You can even create an unpaid collaborations with the same adjustment. Next to that, we have a pending payment. So this is what the pending payments is all about. So here, you can what you can do is you can obviously go over here and use a filter. So what? Let's filter the payment status. So if you go to the payment status and put it as pending, this will automatically show the pending payments which are visible. So you can see under the pending payments, we can see over here what are the payments that are visible over here. Another thing which we can create is all payments. So let's say all payments, and you can even group it in a different way. So if you go to the grouping section, you can find several other methods how you can group. So if let's say I'm going to go with the platform method, so I can see as per different platforms what are the payments that I need to make. So we have Instagram, we have TikTok, we have YouTube. So all the different things are visible over here. So let's change this name to platform by platform, so we can see the payments that we need to make as per different platforms. So obviously you can play around with all the settings and create your own view. This is just three created views for a use case. Okay, so we have by platform all the payments that are visible. You can even add all these values. So if you go and sum it up, all the values will be visible over here. So you can like go with any sort of methods. You can even group it by the influencer handle. So here the grouping has been done by platform. If you go with the grouping by influencer handle, you can even see that it changes the layout. Okay, but I'll stick with the platform method. This leaves a clean view for a use case. So this is all about influencer and UGC payments tracker. You can obviously customize this template and make changes to this template as per your requirement. This is just a sample showcase. Next is I want to talk about a new tool, PDF Output. So PDF Output is a tool that can help you generate PDF documents utilizing a Notion page or a Notion database. We have got two methods: single PDF, multiple PDF. If you go to a single PDF, you will be able to add one Notion page and generate the PDF document. A detailed video has been added at the bottom. If you go under multiple PDF, you can watch this video of how you can generate multiple PDF document utilizing a Notion database. There is also instructions added for each of the use case. You can obviously read these instructions of uses, but this is a handy tool which can help you generate PDF document directly utilizing a Notion workspace. If you are looking to reach out to me at Notion for my use at the rate gmail.com, or you can use this contact window at the bottom under PDF output where you can send me a message with any of the queries, whatever you might have. I'll be happy to assist you with anything that you might be having, and I'll be looking forward to your email if you have any questions. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.